Bonjour, bonjour. Just test. 1.5 out of 10 minus the hotness. So, what it do? We headed to the grocery, you heard me? And stay tuned for the vlog, because I got more unboxings. You dig? Get out me car. That's a beast. Oh, shucks. Oh, look at the driver. We made it to the stove. But now the hard part, we have to decide what we're gonna eat. Is it gonna be Yum Burgers? Yum Burgers are turkey burgers. Is it gonna be pizza rolls, or is it gonna be behind door number 3? We don't know. So yeah, let's head into White's. So this is what we'll be eating today. Hot asparagus.
Blue chips. They're even tastier.
Or blue chips. We don't know yet. Alright, so there was a day when these pistachios right here was like 2 for $4, 2 for $6. Boy, I was coming in daily to grab those things. Pistachios go crazy. But our first cop of the day, get shroomed up, put mushrooms on everything. So that's what we grabbing. Second pickup, had to get some green onions. Y'all will see what we're making. Third pickup, some broccoli rabe, aka the devil's lettuce. Pickup number 4, we got grandma's feet, aka
Onions.
Miss product by weight. Not sure. I think it's ginger. Yeah, that's what we do with it. So every time we come here,
We get non-alcoholic Irish cream.
nor not, we come by the donuts and I just stare at them, all the things I cannot eat. But yeah, that's pretty much what we do. For the main event, we're going 93% lean, 7% fat, because 7 is an amazing number. Buying one of these as well, but it's not going to be used for what you think it's going to be used for. Alright.
Scooby snacks.
Move it. If you guys don't look at this reduced quick sale, then you're not really you're not an adult yet. So make sure you try to find.
You get salami.
Are you done? Make sure that you try to find
Black walnut.
cheap stuff. Starbucks coffee, $5. Take it.
Why?
Oh yeah.
These are the best kind though.
That's that butt rub, baby. Throw that in the bag for me, please. I'm gonna do it. This is my weakness. Yeah, I think so. This is my weakness, yo. Damage is $26. Yeah, so that's White's. Food liners, $26. Stay tuned for dinner. Time to get cooking and time for the unboxing. So stay tuned. I got some pickups, baby. I got like 5 boxes in there. It's crazy. It's crazy. Look like Santa Claus came and just wait. Told y'all I got a lot of packages. Walk in the house and look like Christmas. So made some homemade guac.
It's not homemade. It came from a bag. It's in the shop.
We got these purple chips. About to see what this is like. You dig? It's actually purple. It's crazy. I give it a 9.5 out of 10.
Por favor.
9.7 out of 10. They're just getting better and better every bite. So we got 3 boxes behind me and my baby right here in front of me. I can't throw this one because there's something special in here. Let's get to the unboxing. Chill. Now that extremely rude interruption is over, let's get back to the unboxing. Y'all know me. Y'all know how serious I'm taking this YouTube and this channel. So yesterday at work, I decided to treat myself. Oh my goodness. A box inside a box. Extremely heavy. But yeah, this thing right here. Game changer. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm very excited to open this box. So, you know, when you have like something expensive and kind of scared, that's me. Ooh, baby, 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 baby. Yeah, we had to do it. Investment. Invest into yourself. Invest into what you're trying to do. And go all in, and everything's gonna be all right. So that's the way I'm looking at that purchase. New MacBook Pro. Had to do it. I had to do it. So, like I was saying, I'm looking at this purchase as an investment. And it's gonna make me work harder. My quality's gonna go up. I'm gonna need it for my next job and my next adventure. You guys don't really know about that yet. I still gotta make a video on that. But I'm super excited. I'm gonna be able to edit on it and hopefully open it up and start using it tonight. So very excited. Stay tuned. I might be doing some type of review or something on the MacBook. But I'm very happy. Let's get into those 3 babies over there. I'll try to speed things up for y'all. Let's do it. Like these, I'm excited about these, but nothing like that that MacBook. That was a different purchase for me. Oh yeah. Jumpman, 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 Jumpman. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I told y'all I was coming with the cleat heat. These ones, these lows, something else. Size 9.5. If you need them, hello, holla at me. I have to say on those ones, the quality on that leather. Are you really gonna interrupt me like that? Come on, bruv. Come on, bruv. You really gonna interrupt me? Yeah. So the quality on this, yes, these are tough. 9.5. Get at me if you need them. Let's do number 3. Hey. Nike makes it super easy to open a box. Like, already in there. Bow. Another purr. Another one. Oh, shit. These are fire too. Hello. No, I'm just playing. Anyways, 10.5. Jordan 1 high mid football cleats. Get at me if you need. Definitely did not save the best for last, but I believe this is some fire as well. I kind of don't really remember. I just been buying, which is good and bad, I guess. Hello, another pair. Ooh, Zam Daniel. I think they sent me these on. I don't remember ordering these. I really don't know. Nike might be plugging me now for free because I don't really remember ordering these. But maybe I did. I don't know. So these are for sale as well. Size 11. Size 11. Get at me if you need them. let's get back to I'll show y'all some food and stuff like that and wrap this video up. But that's pretty much my unboxing. It looks like Christmas in here. Like, yeah, it's going crazy in here. So, yeah. We have some beef, rice. Call this, what do we call this? Broccoli beef?
Korean beef?
Korean beef. It's fire. It's fire. Wait on it. That looks fire. Want some brown rice and broccoli beef, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Finished product. Not broccoli beef. Korean
Beef and rice.
beef. Swag. Good. Taste test
Swag.
coming soon. Bonjour, bonjour. Taste test. Oh, 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 oh. 9.5 out of 10 minus the hotness. Sheesh. Alright guys, I'm signing out, setting up the new laptop. Thank y'all for staying tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed the video and had fun. It was a pleasure bringing it to you. 247 ATP, checking out. Continue to elevate. One love.